So phones all over TikTok are getting destroyed by a virus that won't stop mooing like a cow. But the real reason behind it will shock you. So basically, someone sends you a link that looks like something interesting, like high school fights or a random TikTok, just to make you curious enough to click. However, here's where that's crazy, because the second you open it, it secretly runs through your shortcuts apps, and boom, your phone just starts mooing like a cow and won't stop. As a result, it flips on your zoom, inverts your colors, kills your Bluetooth, throws you into airplane mode, and repeats the whole thing over and over until your phone is completely cooked. Yes, it gets even crazier because people are disguising it as normal TikTok and social media links, so you never see it coming. Therefore, nobody feels safe clicking anything. Still, that's not even the craziest part, because some people genuinely thought their phone got hacked and someone was watching them, when really it's all just one big crank. But if you search Moo Virus right now, you can watch people's phones completely lose it. And trust me, it's even funnier than I just described. But now the questions that everyone is asking: is this all just a harmless prank, or is this all just straight up evil? And would you ever click a random link again after watching this? Comment your thoughts below.